A nice smooth night at Terre Haute in the M600.
Number 2, runway 32, clear to land.
32, clear to
Runway
land.
32. Beautiful evening. Captain Lane has it steady. The autopilot. Little left to center, no big deal. Just be aware. Left thumb up on the trim, looking good. That's it. Now you're using pressure and trim. Just enough. Now right rudder, just a little. That's it. That's what I'm talking about. A little left aileron right there. Sweet. Nicely done. Beta back pressure brakes, all three. Back pressure with the brakes. Good. And no heroic efforts here.
Right, one able, right on Bravo, runway 32, taxi via Bravo. So 2 Sierra Tangos, verify when you're ready to pick up your clearance.
We'll go. Thanks, Sierra Tango. Welcome to Terre Haute, Indiana. This is Dick Rochfort. Fly safely. Train off.